Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to explore services marketing and dive into the service marketing mix, also known as the 7 Ps. Unlike product marketing, services have unique characteristics, and these 7 Ps help businesses design and deliver their services effectively. Let's break each one down. First, we have product. In services marketing, the product is the service itself, including its features and benefits. Since services are intangible, businesses need to clearly define what they are offering, whether it's financial services, hospitality, or healthcare. The key here is to understand the customer's need and ensure the service fulfills them. Next is price. Pricing strategies for services can be a bit more complex than products because they often depend on factors like demand, competition, and the level of customization. Pricing must reflect the value of the service and be competitive while also ensuring profitability. Examples include hourly rates, subscription fees, or package pricing. Third, we have a place, which refers to the distribution channels for delivering the service. Unlike physical products, services need to be delivered to customers in real time, whether it's through physical locations like stores or hotels or through digital channels like apps and websites. The focus here is on making the service accessible and convenient for the customer. Next is promotion. Just like in product marketing, services need to be promoted effectively to create awareness and attract customers. However, service promotion often emphasizes the experience, quality, and benefits of the service. Common promotional tools include advertising, social media marketing, and customer testimonials. People are the fifth element and they play a crucial role in delivering services. Employees directly impact the customer experience, especially in service industries like hospitality, healthcare, or retail. Their behavior, skills, and attitudes can make or break the customer's perception of the service. Sixth, we have process, which refers to the procedures, mechanisms, and flow of activities involved in delivering a service. An efficient and smooth process ensures that the customer receives the service in a timely and satisfactory manner. This includes everything from the booking system for a hotel to the customer support process for a tech company. Finally, we have physical evidence. While services are intangible, physical evidence refers to the tangible aspects that support the service experience. This can include the design of the service environment, brochures, websites, or even the appearance of employees. These elements help customers form an impression of the service quality. In summary, the service marketing mix 7 Ps: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence provides a comprehensive framework for delivering exceptional services. Each element plays a key role in ensuring that customers have a positive experience with the service. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. So, see you next time.